Master the art of phrasal verbs in English conversation. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another episode of your favorite English language learning channel. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial aspect of English language fluency. We're taking on phrasal verbs. We'll break down what they are, how to understand their meaning, and how you can start using them to enrich your spoken English. Phrasal verbs are a combination of words from different categories, like a verb and a preposition or a verb and an adverb. Together, these words take on a completely new meaning. For example, the phrasal verb, give up, means to quit or surrender. As you can see, the meaning of give up is very different from the meanings of give and up individually. Learning and using phrasal verbs can greatly enhance your English conversation skills. Phrasal verbs can sometimes be a bit tricky because their meanings are not always directly related to the individual words. For example, look up to means to admire someone, which might not be the first thing that comes to your mind when you see those words separately. However, by studying phrasal verbs in context or with clear explanations, you can begin to understand their meaning. Make sure to practice using them in sentences to embed these new meanings in your memory. Phrasal verbs are extremely common in everyday English conversation. Let's look at a few examples. The phrasal verb, put off, means to postpone something. If a meeting was rescheduled, you could say, the meeting was put off until next week. Another example is, run out of, which means to have no more of something. You could say, I've run out of milk, meaning there's no milk left. The more you practice, the more these phrasal verbs will start to become a natural part of your English speaking. Now that you understand what phrasal verbs are and how they're used, it's time to expand your vocabulary. Start by learning common phrasal verbs like give up, look up to, put off, and run out of. Use them in sentences and practice with a partner if you can. As you become more comfortable, gradually add more complex phrasal verbs to your vocabulary. Remember, practice and repetition are key. That's it for today, language enthusiasts. We've taken a deep dive into the world of phrasal verbs. They might seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice and dedication, you'll be weaving them into your conversations in no time. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll be amazed at how your English conversation skills evolve. Until next time, happy learning!